Our next footage is from a young adult male that Sharon has named Farouk.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful morning light. Look at that.
You can see the rain has caused a problem with the condensation.
Well, May is the wettest month. And I mean, you can still follow the behavior pretty well. Wait, is he feeding?
You can actually see the water beads are backlit, so maybe that's...
He's licking the dew.
Wow.
Just drinking water, licking the dew.
Looking at that big tongue and as he walks along, just getting some nice fresh water.
Wow.
But Farouk's peaceful morning doesn't last long.
Oh, wow. There's another bear.
Farouk is being confronted, probably by another male.
Oh, look at that.
After standing up to swipe at each other, Farouk continues to growl. The other bear slowly retreats. Fights aren't unusual amongst male bears, but in a crowded forest, they may be more common and the risk of injury much higher. As he lies down to recover, we see that Farouk is bleeding. He's broken his claw. That'll be painful, but the claw will drop off and grow back eventually. This time, he got off lightly.